Daddy. This is our first time eating rice cereal. We are 4 months old today. It's Father's Day. Yeah, okay, here. No move that. Oh, that's good? No, here. Is that good? Here. Here. Yes, this is my first time using a spoon. Yes. Doing pretty good though. Here. There we go. Is that good? Good? No. Say I'm working on it. Say I'm working on it. Here. Some more? Yummy. Yummy rice cereal. I think she's eating a little bit of it. Want some more? Here. Have some more rice cereal. Yummy, yummy. Yeah. Is that good? Here. Yummy. Say, Mommy talked to Daddy today. Here. Mommy talked to Daddy today. Yes. We said Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Here. Yummy. Oh. Kind of backfired there. It's alright. Try again. Yummy. Yes. See, from the outward appearance, she doesn't look to be enjoying it. But then you look at her little feet. I think she likes it. Oh, yes. Want some more? Mummy. Yummy. Yeah. No, don't suck on that. Here, take some more. Take some more. Who's that? Do I have to tie your hands behind your back? Here. Here. Believe it or not, Daddy, she is eating some. Here. Move that. It's hard to eat when you got your hand in your mouth. Here. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Eat it up. Here. You're supposed to swallow it, Ava. That's how food works. Here. Here. Good, good, good. Good girl. Good girl eats her rice cereal. Yes. Here. Yummy, yummy. I'd say about 10% of this is actually going down the hole. Here, you want some more? Here. See, today I am 4 months old. Yes. Yes. So the American Pediatrics Association says I can have cereal. And they say it's okay if I spit it out, because I'm learning how to use my mouth. Here. Here. You don't want that, you want this. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Good stuff. Say, I like rice cereal. Mommy, this isn't working. I think she wants it in her hand. Yeah. Here. Here, move it. Say, Daddy, this is the high chair that you didn't want Mommy to get. It was free. You said, oh, we don't need that. Yeah. I think we're done. Here. Here. Okay.